Hey everyone, this is a Crest builder ceiling fan. As you can tell, Crest has a spotlight. It's my first fan with a spotlight. Where's the tag? I know it has a tag, and I know it's from sometime in 1990. I forgot what month. This fan, I don't think it has a bad capacitor, but it has bad bearings. I have halogens in it. It's just a one spotlight, which is interesting. Yeah, I think this fan has bad bearings, not a bad capacitor. So, because it spins very slow. Hold on, it's tilted. There we go. That's low. As you can tell, gets no faster. And the light chain also gets really messed up. I got this fan from JJ as well, along with a lot of others. Like, that's from JJ, that's from JJ, that's from JJ, and, like, most of the ones over here are from JJ. Medium is, like, slightly faster and low should be. We'll go to high. The blades are a little out of whack, and it spins very, very slow, as you can tell. I don't know why, it's just super slow. It makes some weird sounds as well. I mean, it blows a little bit of air, I guess. Yeah, the light chain is definitely messed up still. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.